ASGCT is obviously really important because of the role that I have. It's, in my opinion, it's the most important thing that we as an organization do all year. And for BGTC, I think it's really important because being connected so closely to the scientific, the clinical, the regulatory, and the commercial aspects of gene therapy, all of which are represented in this space. And behind me and all around us are 270 exhibiting companies, which is not only exciting in its own right, but when I joined ASGCT, we had something on the order of 50 or 60 tabletop exhibits. And so to watch the growth of the meeting and to see it on full display here in the exhibit hall has been really exciting.
So this week, I'm really hoping to see what's next. I think we've come so far, but we all know that there's limitations to the current gene and cell therapies. And so I think we have the brightest minds gathered here today. And I know that the personal meetings are so important and a lot of magic hopefully will happen.
You know, it's been difficult throughout the early years of the pandemic as we didn't have a lot of these. We found other ways to exchange information and knowledge, but these personal connections and being able to sit down and hash out interesting ideas and thoughts, I think is really important. I think the ASGCT group has done an incredible job of pulling together a very large meeting. Obviously, there's lots of overlap. We all wish we could be at every session all the time, but I think we're trying to continually learn from others and also figure out how we can do it better.
You know, being a rare disease parent is pretty isolating. You spend a lot of time with your own child and wondering if there's any hope out there, and you come to a conference like this and you just see the hundreds of people who are working on technologies that are going to help kids like mine. And it's so inspiring and gives me so much hope. And it's great for making connections with other rare disease families, other rare disease organizations. Just actually getting to meet some of the researchers that we're working with in person has been incredible to, you know, see them and give them a hug and say thank you for doing the work that you're doing. And also just to hear about all the new things that are going on. I'm so inspired when I walk down the row of posters here. There's science going on that I had no idea was going on. And so I didn't know to be excited about that, but I have been very excited about that.
For the BGTC and this, what I think is really crucial work that we're doing, it's a perfect forum to be able to talk with industry leaders from different aspects, manufacturing, clinical trial work, and even some payers and regulatory type groups now. I think the questions that we're asking now are really opening the field up to better understanding.
It's been really great to get the word out to such a large audience at ASGCT. I think David Barrett said that there's over 7,000 people in attendance, both online as well as in person. And we have had the opportunity to showcase the BGTC across many different events with David's announcement of the clinical trial portfolio at the opening of the conference, with sessions about the BGTC work in specific panels, and of course our inaugural annual meeting on Saturday that we are super excited to go into more depth about the work that we're doing.